Let's look at just a couple of examples using interval notation. So again, there's some simpler ones already worked for you. But let's write 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 9 in interval notation. Now, first of all, let's go ahead and graph this thing. See what it looks like. I'm just going to put 3 here and 9 over here. And 3, because of the less than, we use parentheses. If it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we use brackets. So we have less than, or we've got less than or equal to here. X is less, or 3 is less than x. That's the same thing as x is greater than 3. So we'll shade this way. And I'm going to leave that off for a minute. And then x is less than or equal to 9, so we're going to use a bracket on the 9. And for these that are written like this, it will happen that they're shaded in between because x is greater than 3 and less than 9. So as interval notation, we use the same parentheses and brackets. So we have from 3 with the parentheses to 9 with a bracket, just like that. Now, what if we have it split up where we've got a situation where x is less than or equal to -1. So we've got going to the left here. And x is greater than 5. So it's going in opposite directions. So here's how we write that. We always go from left to right. So we're starting with negative infinity. Infinities always have parentheses. Never use a bracket with infinity because you cannot include infinity because it's going on forever. So it's always a parenthesis. And it's going to -1. We have a bracket there because of the less than or equal to. And that is unioned with, we put this U looking thing in the middle, 5, or parentheses, 5, and on to infinity. So there's an idea about how to use interval notation.